Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mama Ariana, and if it's your first time, karibu sana, and thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, in our today's video, I'm going to share with you a self-made recipe of some stir-fried noodles. These are the noodles that we're going to use, guys, but it's okay to use from a different company like Indomie, which I know is very common, and any other company that you can get. This recipe is very easy and very delicious. I encourage you to try it at home, and please let me know how yours came out in the comment section. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please take a second or two to subscribe. Turn on the notification button so that anytime we upload a new video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be among the first people to view it. Thank you so much for the love and the support. We really appreciate it. And without much ado, let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have some green onions, I have some yellow bell peppers. I'm also going to use some mushrooms and some small sausages, mini sausages actually. So guys, I'm going to cut them in the yellow bell peppers into small cubes. Water.